10 minutes prior to closing, switch your machine on rinse. Push the lever all the way to the left. After 10 minutes, open the cover to your machine. Remove feed tube to allow the vanilla mix to drain into the main tank. Then, dispense all liquefied vanilla mix. In the prep sink, fill your bucket with water from the cold tap for the first rinse. Pour cold water into main tank. Use your Taylor blue brush to gently remove all old vanilla residue from the tank. Then, dispense dirty water and empty the contents into your prep sink. For the second cycle, clean and fill your bucket with warm water. For the second rinse, pour the warm water into the tank. Continue to clean using your blue Taylor brush. Once again, fully dispense all the dirty water and empty into your prep sink. For the third cycle, gather cold water in your bucket. Add half a scoop of Sheen sanitizer. Mix well with your Taylor blue brush. Empty the Sheen sanitizer mix into the main tank. Once again, dispense the Sheen sanitizer mix and empty into your prep sink. For your fourth and final rinse, empty cold, clean water into the tank. Once again, immediately remove water. The water coming out now should be clear and clean. Switch the machine off. That's the middle position. Now, use your restaurant sanitizer bucket to finally clean the tank inside and out. Turn the top latch to the side and loosen all 4 bolts. Remove the door spout and place in a metal tray. Then remove the spiral beater. Finally, remove the crankshaft and place in the metal tray. Carefully remove the drip pan. Use your restaurant sanitizer, clean inside the shaft, the face of the machine, and all sides well. Remove the plastic drip tray. Take all the parts to the 3-compartment sink. Make sure to fully disassemble all parts from the door spout. Use a terry cloth towel and soapy water to clean the residue and lube from all the parts. Don't forget to sanitize. Bring all the parts back and leave in a designated area next to your shake machine. Let air dry for easy assembly tomorrow.